At this point on the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? To better understand the chart, we draw support and resistance areas by connecting price highs and lows. We draw a trend line. Here, the channel breaks down. After breaking out of the channel and crossing the previous low, we open a short trade. We place the stop above the last price high. We also set the risk-to-reward ratio to 1 to 2. Congratulations, you can see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. The secret to success in trading financial markets is to look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with a few simple lines. Trade with me.